So, it's actually interesting to show you how my cat eats. This is the only cat that uses its hand to eat, or slash paw. Grabs a piece, picks it up, puts it in the mouth. And come on. Where is it? Come on, one more time. One more time. Come on, I know you want another piece. Look, look. There you go. A cat that actually uses its paws to eat. Let's see if we get another piece. Yeah, look at that. Insane. Amazing. Come on, one more. Ah, it dropped. Come on, you're just gonna leave that there, huh? I gotta clean that mess up for you now? Look at me. Right by me.